Hopefully everyone is fine. In this video we will be discussing the concept of void pointer. It is also known as generic pointer. First important thing is that it does not have any data type, but it can point to any data type, but for that we have to do the concept of type casting. I'll show you these things when I'll complete, so kindly watch the video till the very end and support us. So we'll start with what is a void pointer. Void pointer is a pointer. Pointer is always a variable that points to another variable. So I'm just writing main and I write int a is equal to 5 and void star p is storing the address of a. This is definitely possible, right? P is storing the address of a and float b is equal to, let's say, 5.6 and p is storing the address of b. This is also possible. This is known as a void pointer that points to a and that also points to b. That's how a void pointer works. Now I want to access the value of a and b using pointer. That is not possible. Why? I cannot just write that cout asterisk of p. It will not give me any value, to be very honest. Why? Because over here void pointer never has a data type, or any pointer does not have a data type, but it doesn't know where it is pointing as well. So over here it is pointing to b now, so it will give the value of b, but unfortunately since we have used the word void with it, it is not possible to access the values. To access the value using p, what we have to do is we have to use the concept of typecasting. Now firstly p was pointing to a, right? Now p is pointing to b. It means clearly p is right now pointing to b. I want to access the value of b using p. What I will do, I will just write asterisk sign, then data type of b was float and star. This is known asterisk again. This is asterisk because we have to dereference it. Float star is a typecasting point because p was a void data type that does not signify anything. So float star is required and then p is there. By default, you see the answer of this is 5.6. Similarly, if I have to access the value of a, so what I can do is over here p was pointing to a, I can get the value of this as cout, right? Again asterisk dereferencing, then a data type is integer. I'm writing int star and then we will use pointer p. P will give us the answer of a. So this will give us 5 and this will give us 5.6. That's how void pointer works. This is generic pointer and you cannot access the value using star p. You have to typecast it before you use it. That's how it works. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.